the way that these other discords run, they put you in loss, like they put you in debt. And the reason why they do it, how they do it, I'm gonna show you right now on the chart. So A and Y. Now I'm sure if any of you guys are on StockTwits, you know this symbol. And you guys are watching this on YouTube, you know the symbol. So here's an example of a pump and dump right here. Could you please explain to me why this happened? What did the company do to warrant going from $4 to $12? So that's 4, 8, 12, 300%. And we're having each candlestick is representing one day. It's a pump and dump. What they do is they post to Twitter, they post to StockTwits, they post to Discords. And the way it works is they look for stocks with a high short interest. Now, what a high short interest is a stock that has a short interest of around 40% or higher. And why do they tell people to buy it? It's not because like they look for like a piece of news, obviously. Not some of them don't even do that. You know, that's like the real like bottom of the barrel. But you know, at least the pump and dumps, whoever, you know, a head on their shoulders, they'll look for a piece of news. For example, you know, like Head and Shoulders came out with a new shampoo. Instead of blueberry fragrance, now it's raspberry. And they will manipulate that piece of news so much that it makes Head and Shoulders like look like they're about to sell bottles for $50 each. And they tell everybody else following them to buy it. Now, because the short interest, and let's remember, short is people who are betting that the company is going to lose money. Because the short interest is very high, when the price goes up, those people that are shorting that position are now going into debt. Now they have, you know, three choices basically. One, they take the loss, and that makes the price go even higher. Two, they keep losing until their money runs out of, their account runs out of money. And that's what leads to number three. If they keep losing, they're going to get assigned those stocks by their brokerage. So when you see a stock has short interest over 40%, and you see charts like this, that's not normal. That's what they did to GameStop. It went to $550 or 483, I'm sorry, from 13. Now, you know, if we were in a classroom, I would say, please raise your hand if you've seen a GameStop like lately at all. A commercial, any kind of corporate influence? Anybody? No. So why did it go that high? Why did Congress get involved? Why did Robinhood become so popular? Because this is what started it. GameStop. Then they did it to AMC. So $1.91, then $9.46, 72. Watch for manipulation. Because when you play stocks like this, what you're essentially doing is you're throwing away your savings. You know, obviously, I don't know everybody's position individually, but I know some people that they use their savings account on the stock market because they want to retire or They want to give their, kids something, when they pass away. And these people don't care about that. The people who are pumping these stocks, like Wall Street Bets, they pump them because they know that like Wall Street Bets is who I'm talking about in particular right now, that they know that they have over 1 million followers. So if 1 million people bought just one stock of AMC for, let's see here, $12, that's nothing. 1 million is a lot of shares. And yes, some people do get paid to pump these stocks. There's also people on StockTwits that get paid to bash stocks. It goes both ways. This is not a one-way street. It's both ways. There's people that get paid to pump stocks. There's people that get paid to, spread fake rumors about stocks. For example, Zoom. Zoom, for the first time in its company's history, posts a $1 billion revenue. They blew their earnings expectations out the window. And then one analyst goes on TV and says, yeah, but I don't think they could keep it up. Next thing you know, the stock drops by $50 per share. That's the way it is. That's the stock market. So what we do, on GT, Golden Ticket, I, am trained to watch these things. I was an analyst myself. I know the trends. I know how to predict them. And the calls that I'm sending you are calls that are not this bullshit. And I know I don't speak like, that professional type that, like when you walk into a bank and they're, hey, sir. No, I'm not going to talk to you that way. I'm going to talk to you like a real person. I'm going to talk to you like a friend because that's how I consider us. At Golden Ticket, we're all family. And, and when you're in a family, you don't come up to your mom or your brother and you don't say, hi, ma'am. No, it's ridiculous. So, I keep it real. I'm not going to tell you and sugarcoat you things. It's just not going to happen. Like, if that's what you're expecting from me, good luck waiting. So now you guys know how pump and dumps work. Once again, this is Dimitri on behalf of Golden Ticket. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on alerts so you can get our future videos. And I will see you guys on Discord. Thank you for tuning in tonight. Before you go, here are 3 free ways that we can help you become a more profitable trader. You can join our Discord channel. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest videos and like this video. Thanks everybody for watching. More videos to come. We usually do them once a week, and I will see you later.